I don't mean no disrespect, but it's always. I can't listen to you, I do this my own way. This is not a game, no, I don't play. And you wasn't game before, so now it's no way.
Alright, so for the ingredients, you're going to need 1 avocado, 1 egg, an aloe vera leaf, fresh aloe vera, 1 banana, ripened, some mayo, some honey, and we're going to chop up that banana just so it's easier to blend. And we're going to chop up that avocado. And it is a little bit overripe, but it's okay. I'm not eating it. It's going in my hair. It's still good. You just need it soft. And I am going to chop my aloe in chunks so that it's easier to peel and get the stuff out, because I won't be using all of it, just a few pieces I'll save. The other pieces maybe for a facial or something like that, a mask for hydration. If you guys want to see me make a mask for hydration, just comment below and I can put a recipe on here for a good hydrating facial mask. So I'm just taking the skin off of that and cutting out the inside of the aloe. Be careful not to cut yourself. So now I'm going to put all of those ingredients in the blender. Aloe, avocado, the banana, mayo. I think that's roughly about a little less than a half a cup. And then some honey. Oh, and then we can't forget the eggs. And I'm going to blend that all up. Really well. Making sure everything's off the side. Blend it some more. And then, y'all, I have forgot to add the oil, so I'm adding some grapeseed oil and some coconut oil. And you can add whatever oil you like if you want, but this is the oil that I add. And I'll blend that up some more to make sure it's all incorporated. And then I am going to pour it into this jar. You can get an application bottle, which is better because it is a little liquidy. But I put it in this jar because this is what I had. I couldn't find my application bottle. And then you would refrigerate it until you're ready to use it. Now, it is not preserved, so it may slightly turn color to a little bit brown, but it's okay. It's still good. It's on your hair, but since it has mayo and egg in it, we're going to refrigerate it until I'm ready to wash my hair today. Okay? I do recommend you do it same day. But that is it. There you go. Your great your great conditioner and protein treatment all in one. This will make your hair soft and manageable.
I might flip a stack, I might steal your chick, and then give her back. I don't mean no disrespect, but no way I can't listen to